Welcome to Jim Rohn Inspired Life, where we share the transformative wisdom of Jim Rohn, a mentor who empowered millions to live bigger, bolder lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change everything: unlocking your potential. Ever wonder what's holding you back from the life you dream of? Why do some people tap into their gifts and soar while others stay stuck? Jim Rohn believed every person has untapped potential, a reservoir of strength, creativity, and possibility waiting to be unleashed. He taught that success isn't about luck or talent. It's about principles that anyone can follow. From his own journey from broke to legendary, Rohn distilled timeless strategies to help you become your best self. We're going to explore those principles, why they work, and how you can apply them to thrive in 2025, whether in your career, health, or relationships. This is your guide to unlocking the greatness within you. Let's get started. Potential is like a seed. It's there, but it needs care to grow. Rohn said, "You have the power to make your life extraordinary, but you must decide to use it." Most people underestimate themselves. They see limits: too old, too young, not smart enough, not rich enough. Rohn saw possibilities. He believed you're capable of more than you know, but unlocking that takes intention. Without it, potential stays dormant. You might dream of starting a business, running a marathon, or finding peace, but something stops you: doubt, fear, or just not knowing how. Rohn's life shows what's possible. Born in 1930 on an Idaho farm, he grew up with little, no money, no connections, just a kid with big hopes. By 25, he was broke, in debt, stuck in a dead-end job, feeling like he'd failed his family. He wasn't a genius or a star. He was ordinary, like most of us. Maybe you felt that weight, that sense you're meant for more but can't break through. Rohn did, and his principles are the key. His transformation began when he met Earl Schoaf, his mentor. Schoaf didn't give him cash or a plan. He asked, "Jim, what are you doing with your potential?" Rohn had no answer. He was coasting, letting life happen. Schoaf introduced him to principles that woke him up, ideas that turned his spark into a fire. Over 6 years, Rohn went from zero to millionaire, from shy to global speaker, from lost to leader. By 31, he was living a life he once only dreamed of. His secret wasn't a miracle. It was a system for unlocking what was already inside him. Those principles are what we're unpacking today, so you can unleash your own potential and build a future you love. First, believe in yourself. Rohn said, "You are more capable than you think. Start acting like it." Potential begins with faith. When Rohn was broke, he doubted everything: his skills, his worth, his future. Schoaf told him, "Jim, your biggest limit is your own mind." Rohn started small. He wrote, "I can learn. I can grow." That belief shifted his actions. You need that faith too. You're not perfect, but you're enough to start. Struggling with a goal? Tell yourself, "I'm capable of figuring this out." Write it down. Say it daily. Studies show self-belief boosts performance by 30%. What's one thing you believe about yourself today? Trust your potential. It's real. Second, take responsibility. Rohn said, "You cannot change the circumstances, but you can change yourself." Potential thrives on ownership. Rohn used to blame his woes: low pay, small town, bad luck. Schoaf asked, "Who's really in charge?" Rohn realized he was. He stopped waiting for a break and started making choices. Read more, work harder, save smarter. You can own your life too. Unhappy at work? Don't curse your boss. Own your effort. Broke? Don't blame the market. Own your habits. Ownership isn't heavy, it's freeing. What's one choice you take charge of today? That's where your potential ignites. Third, commit to learning. Rohn said, "Formal education makes you a living. Self-education makes you a fortune." Potential grows through knowledge. Rohn was no scholar. By 25, he'd barely read. Schoaf told him, "Jim, your mind is a gold mine, dig." Rohn started with 10 pages daily, books on sales, leadership, life. That habit built his wisdom, his edge. By his 30s, he'd read hundreds, each one unlocking more of him. In 2025, you've got endless tools: podcasts, courses, blogs. Want wealth? Read The Intelligent Investor. Confidence? Try daring greatly. Start small, 10 minutes daily. What's one thing you'd learn today? Knowledge fuels potential. Fourth, build small habits. Rohn said, success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Potential isn't one big leap, it's consistent steps. Rohn didn't transform overnight. He started tiny. Read one page, save $1, walk one block. When he was broke, those habits felt small. $365 save a year wasn't. They added up. You can build habits too. Want health? Drink water first thing. Career? Study 15 minutes daily. Wealth? Save $5 weekly. Rohn's rule: make it so easy you can't fail. Over time, easy becomes massive. What's one habit you'd start tomorrow? Small steps unlock big potential. Fifth, manage your focus. Rohn said, where focus goes, energy flows. Potential needs direction. Rohn was scattered early on, worrying, distracted, stuck. Shoaff taught him to zero in, one goal, one task, one day. He'd write 3 priorities daily, nothing more. That clarity turned chaos into progress. You're bombarded in 2025. Screens, news, noise. Pick one thing to focus on. Want a business? Focus on one product today. Fitness? One workout. Write your priority. Call one client. Run 10 minutes. Studies say focus boosts productivity by 40%. What's one thing you'd focus on now? Direct your energy. Unleash your potential. Sixth, surround yourself with growth. Rohn said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Potential flourishes in the right company. Rohn's early friends were stuck, complaining, settling small. Shoaff introduced him to dreamers, entrepreneurs, learners, builders. They didn't just support him, they pushed him to stretch. In 2025, your circle can be global. Redditor/Get Motivated. LinkedIn mentors, success podcasts. Drop one critic, maybe that friend who mocks ambition. Connect with one uplifter, email a colleague, follow a creator. Who do you reach out to today? Growth breeds potential. Seventh, persist through setbacks. Rohn said, success is not the absence of obstacles, it's pushing through them. Potential shines in adversity. Rohn faced failures, bad deals, speeches that flopped, dreams delayed. He didn't quit. When a venture crashed, he asked, what's the lesson? That mindset kept him moving. You'll hit walls too. A rejection, a slump, a doubt. That's okay. Write one thing you learned from your last setback. Rohn's notebook wasn't just goals. It was wisdom from pain. In 2025, setbacks are normal. Jobs shift, plans falter. Persist. What's one challenge you'd push past today? Keep going, and your potential grows. Eighth, act with purpose. Rohn said, the greatest value in life is living a life of purpose. Potential needs a why. Rohn wasn't chasing money. He wanted freedom, impact, a legacy. That purpose drove him past fear. When doubt hit, he pictured his family's future. His audience's lives changed. You need a why too. Why do you want success? For your kids? To prove you can? To live free? Write it. I want to retire early for my son. That anchors you. In 2025, purpose cuts through noise, distractions, trends, stress. What's your why? Make it bigger than your fears, and potential follows. Let's see these principles in action. Picture Maria, 31, a barista dreaming of writing. She feels trapped. She applies Rohn's strategies. She believes, I can tell stories. She owns her life. No more blaming hours. She learns, reads on writing nightly. She builds habits, writes 100 words daily. She focuses one chapter this month. She joins a writer's group, drops cynics. She persists, rejections sting, but she submits again. Her purpose, inspire others, fuels her. A year later, Maria's novel is drafted. Her blog has 500 readers. That's Rohn's principles unlocking her gifts. Or take Paul, 58, a mechanic feeling irrelevant. He wants meaning. He believes, I can still grow. He owns his routine, no excuses. He learns, studies online marketing. He builds habits, posts one video weekly. He focuses one platform, YouTube. He joins a creators group, skips negative coworkers. He persists. Low views hurt, but he refines. His purpose, teach skills, drives him. A year later, Paul's channel has 1,000 subscribers, earning $200 monthly. Rohn's principles work for any life. Why does this matter in 2025? The world's complex. AI reshapes work, costs rise, doubts creep. Potential stays locked without a plan. Most people wait. Rohn's belief acts. Most blame. Rohn's ownership frees. Most quit. Rohn's persistence wins. Studies say 85% of people feel unfulfilled. Rohn's principles are your antidote. Your potential isn't a dream, it's a decision. What could this mean for you? Maybe you're 24, unsure of your path. Believe, learn, act. In a year, you're skilled, focused. Or you're 60, thinking it's over. Focus, persist, find purpose. In months, you're alive. Rohn said, your potential is limitless. Start using it. That's his gift, a map to your greatness. Here's your challenge. Grab a pen, your phone, anything. Write one principle to start today. Believe, I am enough. Own one choice. I'll save $10. Learn 10 pages tonight. Do it now. Rohn unlocked his potential because he acted, from a farm boy to a mentor of millions through principles. Now it's your turn. What's your first step? Make it happen, and let's keep building this inspired life together.